Hey guys, comment nous là? This is my Haitian channel. Say hi.
Bonsoir tout le monde.
Bonsoir, bonjour. Comment allez-vous? Aujourd'hui est dimanche.
Oui.
Oui, je parle français, c'est ça? Ça, aujourd'hui à moi gain on. Hello. Good. Good. Jeudi à moi gain on. I feel like it's gonna be me. Jeudi à moi gain on event. Comment on dit event en créole?
I don't know.
On event. On event.
No, seriously, I think that's how you say it.
Event?
Okay. I think so.
Oh. So, je viens dans le store là pour m'acheter quelques ongles pour mettre dans le doigt moi parce que nous avons doigt moi. Nous sommes un petit garçon avec doigt moi. So, je viens acheter quelques ongles là. Un petit faux ongles. Ooh, the lashes. I don't need lashes. I gotta say that. They're right here. So, yeah. I mean, acheter faux ongles. Ooh, that's so cute. That pink one. But which one?
I like this.
No, I don't like that.
Like newish. Oh, what about this?
Ooh, that's cute. Oh, I like that. No, mais ça?
Ça ne pensez.
Ça ne pensez de ça. Ça belle, oui. Does it come with the glue? I'm not gonna adhesive tabs and glue included.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, I think I'm gonna take these ones. I really like those ones though. You don't like those?
No.
Ooh, what about this up there? No, I don't like that. That's too. I like this one.
This is nice.
Yeah.
This is nice too. The blue one.
I like that one. That was my toes. My toes were like teal blue.
But this is nice.
Blood PM. Bleu. I'm gonna take this one.
I like this.
Yeah, ma prends ça. I think it's ça selon besoin. So, je vais faire les ongles ça dans doigt moi là. It is what it is. So, ma vlog pour nous. Ma essayer pour vlog pour nous. Pendant moi l'autre bois. Si je suis capable, si je suis pas capable. Now we're pita. Comment tu vas là? L'église, il dit le fin like at the end. I forgot what they said. Benediction, like whatever.
No. Le fin pas bénédiction. Compa yo kon di vraiment. Maranatha.
Chris will bien. Hi. Yes. I'm vlogging.
What?
I'm vlogging.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We'll take this.
You have a CVS card?
I have a phone number.
Go ahead. The phone number.
My pay, kunya.
How you guys doing today? Good?
Yeah, doing good.
Good.
She's all
Okay, good. I got two different things. I got Giovannie.
Giovannie, yeah.
Gio.
Giovannie, yeah.
Giovannie? Oh, they both the same number. Okay. So we're going to go to Nyack. You live in Nyack?
She lives in Nyack, yep.
Okay, so we're going to go with that.
Vai gato. Munyo,
Giovannie, I see that you're not enrolled in the CareCast program. Would you like to enroll today and get $10 extra care bucks that you can use on this? If you don't like your program, you can cancel at any time.
No, thank you.
No.
Oh, I like that card.
Mwen fleur. Li gen fleur.
Cute. Can you get it?
Oh, go behind there. After the red card, honey, there's boxes.
Have a great day, guys.
Thank you.
Just be careful.
How long do
You
you
see
school
it?
for?
It depends, like the whole day.
Just a project?
Yeah. For my YouTube channel.
You just have to know what you're doing throughout the whole entire day? Great project.
Thank you.
Bye.
Have a good day.
Vraiment drôle.
Bon dîner. Blanc boy studio vraiment drôle. Yo pose des questions pas business.
Son, like what the heck? Bro.
Well, how do you even hold this? Like,
I
I
hold
gotta
it like
get the
this.
right angle or something.
Like this. Like, cause then it's easier. Like, you know, you can like move it. Yo, madame, kounya ganon soleil, monsieur. Yo, li fa bonjour dia, oui? En pile. 55 degrés. Li fait 55 degrés. Oh, là, moi, je vais dans la place là, je vais montrer nous. qui ça me mettait sous moi pour éventer ça. Pour éventer ça, pourquoi tu m'as montré nous qui regarde mettre sous moi? It is Sunday's best was the thing, like so it is what it is. So I'm tourner back kounya. Là m'rivé m'a montrer nous comment te set up tab moi gain. So ma ouais nous là m'rivé. Oh bye. Thank you. Nous was moi magie oui, magie. Magie. Kounya biga moun sa di m kon fè magie non?
Let me know if you
Ooh, chicken from Brooklyn. Mais moi guys. Nous va comment belle. Allez. Ooh, it looks so nice. Look. Zon belle. Ça fait zon la période.
point.
Point.
Point final.
Point.
Point final.
Mais montez mon yo outfit là. M'boko mes souliers non?
Period, Pooh. Period.
Là mes souliers m'a monter nous. M'a monter tabla to. Tabla? Merci un pile parce que nous t'ai regardé cette vidéo ça. Pas oublier pour nous abonner avec channel là, bali un petit like et puis quitter un commentaire pour moi dans la comment section qui est en bas. OK, moi content un pile et puis m'apprendre dans l'autre vidéo que moi gagne pour poster. Au revoir.